2019 Ford F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, compass, electronic stability control, heated front seats, power windows, trip computer, security system, rear window defroster, fog lights, brake assist, tachometer, overhead console, remote keyless entry, panic alarm. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.